If you're planning to start a business in North Carolina, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in North Carolina even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why form an LLC in North Carolina? Well, for one, you have asset protection. That means your personal savings like home, car are generally protected if your business faces debt or legal issues. Now, another thing is you have a tax flexibility. That means business profits pass directly to the owner's personal tax return, helping you avoid double taxation that corporations often face. And of course, you have a business-friendly environment. North Carolina offers relatively low fees and predictable regulations, making it easier for entrepreneurs like you to start and maintain their businesses without excessive costs or complicated compliance requirements. And of course, a thriving business hubs. This makes it easier for no businesses to scale and succeed in competitive markets. Okay, so first of all, you need a name for your LLC. Remember, your LLC name must be unique from other registered businesses. It should include limited liability company or LLC or L.C. You should avoid restricted words like bank, insurance, government, trust unless approved. If you have a desired business name in mind, all you have to do is very simple. Go to the North Carolina Secretary of State Business Search and check if your name is available. If there is no matching results, it's good to go. And remember to perform a thorough name search, protects your brand and avoids potential legal issues down the road. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Every North Carolina LLC must have a registered agent. Now, a registered agent is a person or maybe a company that receives legal documents on behalf of your business. They must have a physical address in North Carolina, must be available during normal business hours. If you wanted to be your own registered agent, you can do that for as long as you meet all the state legal requirements. But what we highly suggest is to hire a professional formation service like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience because they will handle all of the paperwork for you. Now, we are ready to officially register your LLC by filing the Articles of Organization. Now, there are two ways that you can do this. Number one option is by mail, which is kind of a slower option, but what we highly suggest is to file it online, which is the fastest. Okay, so all I have to do is go to the North Carolina Secretary of State, and then you need to provide the LLC name, registered agent name and address, company address, organizer's name and signature. Of course, there is going to be a filing fee of $125. The processing time, if you use online, is going to be a lot faster, and always double check all information before filing to avoid delays. North Carolina doesn't require an operating agreement, but you should absolutely have one because an operating agreement outlines the ownership percentage, member responsibilities, how profits are split. That means it protects your liability and keeps things clear.
Next is we need to get an EIN or employer identification number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes.
Now, to keep your LLC active and in good standing, you must follow ongoing state compliance rules. Number one is about the annual report. Missing this deadline can lead to your business being marked delinquent and possibly dissolve if not fixed. And of course, you want to make sure that you always maintain a registered agent. That's why we are suggesting to hire Northwest registered agent so that they will help you update with the state immediately to avoid compliance issues. And of course, there is going to be the tax compliance. Always stay compliant with both state and local tax requirements, but generally, they do not pay franchise tax if taxed as partnerships or sole proprietorships. And then there is going to be the licenses and permits. Now, depending on your business type and location, you may need like local business licenses, industry permits, regulatory approvals. Again, requirements vary by city, county, and industry, so always check local rules. Now, you want to make sure to have a separate business bank account. Open a dedicated business bank account because this helps you keep your personal and business finances separate. Never mix personal and business funds. This is super critical for LLC protection. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including North Carolina. Now, the good news is if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple, and let's begin with the Order tab. This is essentially the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is LLC formation, and the state where you are forming your LLC, and of course, the total cost before payment. Now think of this as your checkout overview. The company section collects the basic details about your business. It includes the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of any legal notices to your attorney, and of course, the business address. Now, this information is used to officially create your LLC with the state. Now, in terms of the management section, this is how you define your LLC. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you runs the business, or a manager manage, which means a manager that you hired runs the business for you. Now, if you are not sure what management type to choose, just click the question mark icon because this helps you determine who has the authority to make decisions for the LLC. Now, if you want to add names of members or managers, you can do so. Don't worry because Northwest keeps this information private. Now, if you want to add some services like tax ID, S corporation, premium mail service, you can do that. However, if you want to skip all these, you can do that if you prefer to handle them yourself. Now, the account section is where you create your Northwest online dashboard. Provide your email address, Set a password, confirm login details, because once you've done that, your account lets you access state documents, receive compliance alerts, view scanned mail, and legal notices. Now, the final step where you complete your order is the payment section. You can review the credit or debit card details, the total cost, and of course, the final confirmation before submission. Because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to register an LLC in North Carolina, which is a straightforward, affordable, and relatively simple, but it does come with ongoing compliance responsibilities. Now, the process is easy if you follow the required steps and stay compliant with state rules. Take your time reviewing requirements. Building your LLC the right way from day one can save you time, money, and legal trouble later. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.